Hello everyone, so we're back with another project share video. This one I'm doing on behalf of my mother Sunila, and basically as part of the Share Your Crafty Love group, thanks to Nunu, we are sending out a handmade creation to somebody who was randomly picked. So my mother's partner is Asia, and she has created a beautiful tag album for her. So she says that Asia is such a fantastic mixed media artist that she would surely cherish something a bit different from her own style. And that is the reason why she created this paper crafting album with little touches of mixed media here and there. So for this one, she's used this paper pack by EcoPark, Just Be You. And this is such a beautiful paper pack with gorgeous prints, stickers, Emphera, and just so much more. I think this album is something so perfect. I wish I could keep it for myself. So let's flip through the pages and show you what it is. Also, it's something filled with so much of vibrancy, motivation, positivity. Anybody would just love it. So that's the cover. Believe in yourself, beautiful, and all the elements layered with a little bit of texture here and there and glitter. And it flips that way. So this page has a little pocket with some beautiful tags. It says, make today so amazing that tomorrow gets jealous. And this album can be just kept as it is, as well as, I'm sure she can put in a few pictures or something else that she likes. It's really up to her. It's a personal choice. And the next spread, this says find your dream and hang on tight, and it has a slit, so this just opens up to the left. It says dream big, sparkle more, shine bright, never stop dreaming. And the next one opens up again with a side pocket with some tags. Enjoy the ride. Happiest girls are the prettiest girls. And then the next one says stay sharp, and it opens up. It says be yourself, everyone else is taken, smile today. And then it says hello, yes you can. And then it says she believed she could, so she did. And then I'm just going to flip through the other side from the back as well. So this is the back of the album with that shine and that texture there. And let me see, I'll show you from here. So it says I'm a girl, I'm strong and I'm smart and I can do anything. And then it says shine, and it says believe you can, just be amazing, shoot for the stars. And I think, yeah, that's how it is. It says smile, it's the prettiest thing you have on, love this cute adorable camera and butterfly here. And this is another segment that opens up, dream, amaze yourself, this time to the right. Says she's got a head full of dreams and a heart full of wonder and hands that can shape the world. And just some more tag. And then this is just as it is, so she could write something here, and that's the back. So how pretty and cute is that? I just love it. And then she's also made her a card, which is a mixed media style card. And she's used Lindy's shakers here on the background and done a lot of stamping, texture through stencil, and layered a few die cut elements to complete it. And this she's going to be sending it with her tag album. So we hope that you've liked this, and hit on the thumbs up for likes, and do subscribe to our channel, share our videos with other people so they can get inspired too. And until our next video, take care and bye-bye.